Hello students, I welcome you all for today's session. Well students, last week in the last session we completed your last poem of Beehive, that is the snake drawing, and I hope you have understood the poem and completed your notes. So now students, as we have completed our chapters of Beehive, poems and chapters, and also the chapters of moments, so now we are only going to be focusing on your writing section and grammar section. Okay. So in today's session, I am going to pick up your grammar topic, that is modals. Now, as you can see on the screen, students, I will be sending you this table in your PDF file as well. So please note it down in your grammar copies, and yes, and keep a note of this. Now this table, through this table, I'm going to explain you about the topic of modals. In this table, it is quite simple and clear. So I hope the usage of modals will become more easier for you now. So first let's pick up the modal of can. Now as you can see, what is the function of using can? Now we use can to show ability. That means that we want to prove ourselves what ability we have. So for example, I can run 10 miles. I could run 10 miles when I was young. So can we use when we want to express our ability. So when the example says I can run 10 miles. Okay. Now if we want to talk about the past, so then we will, instead of can, we use could. Okay. The other function of can is to suggest possibility or to give an option. Like the example says, students can pre-enroll in classes. So now here we are giving an option to the students, that students can, if they wish, they can enroll in the classes beforehand. Now to ask or give permission, for example, can you call me? You can leave now. Okay. So for both situations we use can. Now we also use can to show impossibility, means something that cannot really realistically happen. It cannot be Jim standing there. He went away for the weekend. So impossibility means कि जब हम श्योर हैं कि ये चीज़ हो ही नहीं सकती. जैसे एग्जाम्पल में लिखा हुआ है, इट कैन नॉट बी जिम स्टैंडिंग देयर. ये जिम नहीं हो सकता जो वहाँ खड़ा है, बिकॉज वो तो जा चुका है. Okay, so these are the functions of can. Now coming to could. Now could, as we saw earlier, is used in the past situation. So to show past ability, that is I could run 10 miles when I was young. To ask a polite question. Now when we are talking to any stranger, okay, for the first time, or you are talking to a senior, then we use could. For example, could I call you, in a polite way. To show possibility, yes, जब हम sure नहीं होते. Why isn't Mary here? She could be busy. Okay, so why wasn't Mary at the party last night? She could have been busy. To show impossibility, एक पॉसिबिलिटी है जब हम 50-50 चांसेस होते हैं. इम्पॉसिबिलिटी का मतलब होता है कि ये चीज़ हो ही नहीं सकती. सो ही कुड नॉट बी हियर एट द पार्टी, ही इज़ आउट ऑफ टाउन. टू सजेस्ट अ पॉसिबिलिटी और अपॉर्चुनिटी और टू गिव एन ऑप्शन. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं यू कुड ट्राई गोइंग दिस वे. ओके. नाउ गोइंग ऑन टू मे हम यूज़ करते हैं yes of course in a formal situation. जब आप किसी फॉर्मल मीटिंग में जाते हो और सेमिनार में जाते हो, तो वहाँ पे हम इस तरह से परमिशन लेते हैं, मे आई कॉल यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द क्लास ऑल्सो, व्हेन यू एंटर द क्लास, बिफोर एंटरिंग द क्लास यू से मे आई कम इन मैम. सो दैट इज़ वाई हम मे यूज़ करते हैं. मे इज़ यूज फॉर फॉर्मल सिचुएशंस. एंड टू शो पॉसिबिलिटी कि ये चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. द इंस्ट्रक्टर मे कम to class late today. Okay. Now similarly, might is also used to show possibility. The instructor might come to the class late today. Okay. Then हम आते हैं should पे. Now should, ought to, need to, ये ऐसे मॉडल्स हैं जो हम रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस या ऑब्लिगेशंस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. For instance, to show advisability, you should try the new restaurant downtown. So here we are advising someone. To show obligation, I should renew my driver's license. So this is an obligation, we have to do it. To show expectation, you should receive my letters in 2 days. Okay. Similarly, ought to show advisability, you ought to exercise regularly. So here it is an advice that one should exercise regularly. To show obligation, that is, I ought to register to vote. So again, that if I don't register, I will not be able to vote. So it is a compulsion. To show expectation, again, you ought to receive my letter in 2 days. Okay. Now moving on to the next set of models. Now here we have must also. Must again we use for advisability, to show probability or to make a logical assumption, like Janice must be out this evening. She does not answer the telephone. So this is like we are sure, yes, she is not at home, she is outside. To show necessity means it's a compulsion. I must call my parents tonight, that you have to do this. To show prohibition means to stop someone or to do something. You must not cross the street on red light. So that is again an obligation. Have to means ये करना ही करना पड़ेगा. To show necessity, Mike has to make up the class he missed. To show lack of necessity, I am glad that I do not have to cook tonight. Okay. Then we have will. Now will again is used for many purposes. Let's see. To indicate future time, of course future tense के लिए, he will leave for plane at 7 a.m. To make promises or to show willingness. Willingness का मतलब होता है जब हम श्योर होते हैं कि हमें ये काम करना ही करना है. The federal government will provide assistance to the hurricane victims. Okay, so will provide means वो करेंगे ही करेंगे. To state a general truth, the new car they have developed will run either on gasoline or ethanol. Okay, so it is a fact. There also we use will. To ask a polite question, will you help me with these boxes? So this is the similar situation जो हमने could के साथ use किया था. Okay, then coming to would. Now would is again for polite question, would you help me with the boxes? To indicate repeated action in the past. When I lived in LA, I would go to the beach every day. Okay, so this is a rare situation which will come across. To indicate future time in a sentence, Mark promised that he would help me with the maths homework. Now would rather, again the similar situation. To show preference, now we have two choices. I would rather go to summer school than graduate late. Okay. Would like, to express a desire. Now students, so here we end the session of your models. Okay. Now so there is an exercise which is there in your BBC. I will be sending you the worksheet page number in the PDF file, and the PDF file will have further instructions. So kindly complete this exercise in your BBC, and I'll be sending some additional practice exercise that again you will note it down in your grammar copies and complete it in your grammar copies only. Okay students, so now we'll meet in the next session with another topic. Till then, all of you, please complete your exercises of models and go through the explanation once again, go through the table once again, read it yourself for a better understanding. And in case of any query, you need what has to be done is that you need to write the your doubts and send it to the email ID. Okay students, so we'll meet in the next session. So till then, all of you stay safe and be healthy.